How to fix Valorant screen tearing issue. 1. Adjust the display settings. Note, use the recommended last value. 2. Change the power settings, enable best performance. 3. Update graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Change in-game settings. 4.1 Enable VSync in graphics quality. 4.2 Disable limit FPS always. 5. Configure VSync in your graphics driver. 5.1. For NVIDIA users, 5.1.1 Add Valorant into the Manage 3D settings list. 5.1.2 Disable the low latency mode and max frame option. 5.1.3 Set use the 3D application setting to vertical sync. 5.2. For AMD graphics card players, turn off wait for vertical refresh. 6. Uninstall then reinstall Valorant.